Hi, Scott and Carol, thanks so much for being here today at Edelman Atlanta. I'm Ben Boyd, the Global Chair of the Corporate Practice, and I'm actually here today in Atlanta, not with you, but with the team. I was slated to join you guys for what we think is an extremely important conversation and next step in our partnership together. Unfortunately, when the meeting dates changed, I was pre-booked for a presentation, a speech that I have to give back in Manhattan on Thursday, so my regrets for not being here, but I am so excited about the conversation that you're about to have. That conversation really centers, in my opinion, on one thing, and it's something that I spent a lot of time with the team talking about today, and they're so passionate about, and that's simply business value and how communications in today's world must drive business value for all of our clients and especially for you at VF. So I look forward to your feedback on today's session. I think you're going to love what you're about to hear with these guys, and I'll give you a call a little later in the week to follow up. Again, thanks so much for being our clients. Thanks for being here today, and thanks for the partnership.